In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a flavour fiesta with this Mexican fajita steak and rice recipe. I'll be using tender slices of steak, sautéed onions and peppers and tasty spices to make it a belter of a midweeker.
Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome to my high protein kitchen. This recipe for Mexican fajita steak and rice is an absolute doozy when you don't have a lot of time nor a lot of ingredients in the fridge. You only need a couple of ingredients, about 20 minutes to cook it, and you will be amazed at how something so simple can be so tasty. Right, let's get cooking. This is Mexican fajita steak and rice.
So the first thing you want to do is get 150 grams of basmati rice on the boil. Make sure you give this a rinse first to get rid of all the starch. And while that's boiling, start to prep your veggies. You're going to slice 2 red onions along with 2 peppers. Now I'm using a green pepper and a red pepper, but it doesn't really make that much of a difference. Just use what you've got in your fridge. That's the relatively cheap, thin steaks that you'll get in the supermarkets, so make sure to slice it up nice and small. Then you're going to add the veggies to a wok or a large frying pan on a high heat and cook them for enough time so that they start to turn golden, but not so much that they start to burn. So probably about 5 minutes, giving them a stir now and again. Once they're ready, you're going to set them aside and then do the same with the steak. And then you're going to fry the steak, give it the same treatment as the veggies, so a couple of minutes on a high heat until it's pretty much cooked through. You could also do this recipe with chicken or pork. Again, super versatile, just use what you've got. And also at this point in the video, it would be so good if you could hit that like button. It really helps me out and it means you're more likely to see these recipes in the future. Then once your meat of choice is cooked, add the veggies back into the pan along with 2 tablespoons of fajita spice mix and a tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix all of them through and continue to fry for a further minute or so before adding in your rice. Make sure you drain it and give it a further rinse if needed. I accidentally overcooked this a little bit. It actually works better if it's slightly under, but just cook the rice and depending on how you like it. Anyway, put it all in, mix it all through so it gets nicely coated in the mixture, and then all you need to do from there is to just plate it up. For serving, I usually garnish this with a squeeze of lime, more the better in my opinion. I love putting lime on Mexican food, and some avocado and some chopped coriander, but you could also use some sour cream, and I've actually got a few cheeky tortilla chips on the side too.
So there we have it, delicious plate of fajita steak and rice. Great option for midweek because you saw how quick and easy it was to cook, and it tastes absolutely delicious as well. So I'm going to go and have this for my lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like button before you go because it really helps me out and it means you're more likely to see these videos. Leave a comment and let me know how you found the recipe, and if you're a new viewer, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you soon.